morning and welcome to Reuters Today. I'm Miriam Bamard. Airline stocks in the spotlight this morning as both Ryanair and Lufthansa released their traffic updates. Irish discount carrier Ryanair reported a rise in customer numbers for September, up 13% to almost 11 million. Sales are soaring on the back of lower fares, and Ryanair is a dividend darling for investors, offering a stable yield of 4.42%. Investors also watching for figures from Lufthansa. The German carrier just had a €500 million debt sale last week and recently announced a route-sharing deal with China's flagship carrier, Air China, coming into effect next year. Now let's take a look at all the movers and shakers this morning. First up, robotics and power giant ABB says it will hang on to its power grids business, rejecting calls from some shareholders to separate its engineering group. The Zurich-based multinational also announced a $3 billion share buyback program starting next year until 2019, and of course raised the margin target range for the power grids business. Now, investors also watching London-based asset manager Henderson Group after it agreed to buy U.S. rival Janus Capital Group for $6 billion. The deal is aimed at cutting costs and boosting profits to rival growing competitions from others like Vanguard Group. The deal means managing a $320 billion in assets, potentially making it the 39th largest asset manager globally. Lastly, on the radar, Swedish telecom equipment maker Ericsson just announced today plans to slash 3,000 jobs in production, research and development and sales in some 900 consultants in Sweden. Let's turn now to the markets to see how we stand in early trade. European shares higher this morning. The FTSE 100 already up more than 1%. And the FTSE Euro First 300 also up almost 1%. Investors very much eyeing up UK auctions for 2022 gilts. And also on the radar, September construction PMI figures out shortly. And it seems worries over Brexit hasn't stopped Britons from buying pasties and sausage rolls. British baker Greggs has reported a jump in sales in Q3, also helped by growing demand for new, healthier options and breakfast offers. The company says it's on track to meet full-year expectations. From sandwiches to sausage rolls and pastries, Greggs is 2 years into a 5-year plan to convert the company from a traditional bakery to expand its reach in Britain's £6 billion market. That's it for now. Don't forget you can follow us on Twitter at Reuters Insider and, of course, watch more videos online at Reuters.com. I'm Miriam Bamard, and this is Reuters.